Good day, everyone. My name is King Peter P. Palustre, and today I will share my own opinion, my learnings about the chapter 6 of the Strategic Management book. So, let's get started. So, the application of strategic management tools, as explored in the chapter 6 of the book, is essential for translating complex organizational data into an actionable decision. So, by utilizing the framework like the SWOT analysis, the internal factor or evaluation or the IFE, and the external evaluation or the FA, an organization can systematically bridge the gap between its current capabilities and external uh, realities from of the market, while um, SWOT analysis provide a high-level qualitative overview of strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and internal threats. The IFE and EFE matrices introduce a quantitative rigor or data. These matrices allow strategies to assign specific weights and ratings to various factors, resulting in a total weight score uh, that indicate how effective a firm is responding to its environment. Or together these tools foster analytical thinking and ensure that decision making is rooted in data rather than intuition. So during in my internship at the land bank, these models became a practical tool for understanding the institution's uh, operational landscape. For example po, in the IFE, the evaluation, I could see how the bank's strong brand reputation and skilled workforce serve as a major internal strength that outweighed technical limitation. My time at the office allowed me to observe firsthand how the staff balances its daily tasks with the bank broader goals. Meanwhile, the EFE matrix allowed me to see how the bank navigate external pressures such as uh, technological advancement and the ano ba, government regulations, observing the bank's response to rising competition and how market shifts gave me a clear view of how an organization capitalize on opportunities to mitigate external threats. Uh, as I approach the end of my internship, I prepare for my graduation. Mastering this evaluation tool has been one of the most significant takeaways of my experience. The ability to conduct SWOT, IFE, and EFE analysis is not just an academic exercise, it is a professional skill that allows for a comprehensive audit of any organization. My experience at Land Bank taught me that a successful career requires ability to look at an organization holistically, balancing the internal efficiency with the external responsiveness. As I transition from being an intern to a professional, these frameworks will serve as the foundation for my approach to strategic planning and organizational problem solving. Thank you.